Digital inspections are helping to revolutionize today's industrial landscapes. Traditional paper-based inspection methods often falter due to worker errors and inefficiencies. Digital inspections revolutionize this process by offering workflow automation, improved compliance in audits, and enhancing safety protocols. They streamline and automate workflows, ensuring thorough and accurate inspections, while providing several advantages over traditional inspections. Automated inspection checklists provide customizable templates for simplified data input, from safety audits to asset health inspections. Workflow templates help guide workers through each inspection step with unmatched efficiency, and real-time data capture ensures inspections are accurately tracked and documented, meeting all regulatory standards. AI-powered tools simplify inspection processes, allowing workers to quickly access necessary information without manual searching. Inspectors gain enhanced efficiency and access to critical information by using AI tools like Connected Worker Copilot. Workers can quickly locate required information, reducing errors and ensuring compliance. Automations streamline the inspection process, boosting operational insight and minimizing the risk of oversight. Digital inspections support hands-free operations with voice commands and extended reality gestures. As inspectors advance through workflow steps, photos or videos can be captured and included in real time. Strong documentation adds accountability, while creating a comprehensive inspection audit history. Maintaining compliance with industry standards is crucial, and digital inspections provide a clear, auditable record of each workflow step, reducing non-compliance risks. Transitioning to digital inspections enhances efficiency, improves accuracy, and stabilizes safety and compliance.